Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss about Chainlink and its token Link. None of the content is financial advice. Our base case on the YouTube and also our website cryptoweeklies.com for Link is $32 and the bull case is $38. Right now, price of Link is at around $15. It has touched this lower white line, which has been support for quite a while since about June to October 2023. It did break a couple of times, especially now it's the 1, 2, and third time breaking down from that support level. But again, apart from those three iterations, usually whenever the price is below this white line, if there is a bullish December, this is again one of the decent accumulation range for Link. Not financial advice. The 20-week simple moving average and the 50-week simple moving average are range between $17 and $19 for Link. The top of the channel over here is this green line over here, ascending green line. The top of this channel is at around $42. That's the 0.786 Fib level. Coming to the estimated bull run target per confluence of several risk-based models for Link. We'll discuss each model at length, but the aggregated view is that the base case is $32, which is a conservative case of what the regression risk, time weighted average price risk, and the simple moving average price risk presents. The bull case $38 and the stretch goal at around $54. Coming to individual risk models, first we'll look at the machine learning price forecast for Link. This is all available for free on cryptoweeklies.com. This is my own website. This uses seasonal ARIMA and confidence level based machine learning techniques to identify what is the non-euphoria bull case for Link is at around weekly average at around $17. That's the rally back to the 20-week simple moving average. That's the non-euphoria forecast. The euphoria, again, with the caveat with these forecasts are, again, these deal with weekly average price, not the candle body peak. So the weekly average price at a euphoria phase towards in the next 3 to 4 weeks is at around $21. Taking $10% tolerance over here gets it to about $22. That's the 0.382 Fib level. That's the euphoria case from here on for Link. The 3 standard deviation blow off top scenario is at around $25 towards the end of December. So it would take a lot of bullishness to get Link beyond $25 level per these model. The higher end is at around 0.5 Fib level at around $28. This is the machine learning side of things. Coming to the regression based analysis of what the fair value of Link is, the polynomial regression based function says that the fair value for Link is $44. The function is in an upswing. The gray line over here, this is because Link has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows, has not stopped doing that since about June 2023. But still you can see that whenever this model, if we were to ignore all the noise and just come up with a simplistic model of whenever the price is in this purple shaded region as identified by this model, this has been one of the great times to DCA. Right now the regression risk is 1%. If it goes to the intermediate zone between 0.3 and 0.4 risk, and in that environment the price of Link could be somewhere close to the $42 target. That's the regression based valuation. Again, $42 Link would be this top of channel at 0.786. Coming to the time weighted average price analysis for Link is approaching or was approaching the time weighted average price late November, early December, when the price was close enough to that $10 to $12 level. Now the time weighted average price is an increasing function. From May 2022 it was at around $9.20. Now it's at around almost at $11. In 2026 it would be great to see if and when the price goes below the blue line, if that ushers a similar accumulation phase like it did back in 2022 when we started the channel late 2022, early 2023. Right now the time weighted average price risk is at around 0.28. It's not too elevated at this point. During euphoria phases of the market cycle, whenever it's in yellow, orange, or red, that would be a area of concern for Link. The 20-week simple moving average price based model says the risk is at around 0.22. That means the second best time to DCA per this model. If it goes to somewhere between the 0.5 and 0.6 risk level, the price forecasted for Link is between $31 and $34. That's the lower end of this range between 0.5 and 0.618 Fib level, between $29 and $34. That would be the upper end of the machine learning based price forecast, but the lower end of the 20-week simple moving average price model. Whereas the other model that we discussed, the end is at around 0.382 Fib level. So all in all, again, if we were to look at all of these models in an aggregated fashion like we did before, the summary of Link and its base case bull case is again, if we get the rally closes somewhere in this month, that is in late December 2025, the stretch goal for Link in that environment is $28-29. That's a roughly 2x of the current price. If there is slightly further bullishness into early 2026, then the $32 to $34, that's the base case of all of the individual risk based models, could be something what Link could achieved. The polynomial regression based fair value and the ascending line over here, the green line at the 0.786 is at around $42. So those are the three levels. And if there is a new all-time high for Link in this cycle, unfortunately spending this much time below the prior all-time high and again closer to the range lows than the range high, the max ceiling for the new all-time high is somewhere close to $54. With that, I'd like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.